So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you job seekers and passionate about data analytics and planning? Looking for an exciting opportunity in the fashion e-commerce industry? Well, here is a great job opportunity at Myntra for an associate planning data analyst role in Bengaluru. So stay tuned as I break down the details including responsibilities, required skill sets and how to apply. So, and also remember that we post 3 job updates daily on data analytics, AI, and related fields. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity. Now let's go into the job details. So the location is this particular role is going to be a Bengaluru, and let's understand a little bit about the team. So as you can see here, the team is you'll be a part of the category planning team responsible for inventory planning, selection, project management in Myntra's apparel category. And the role involves optimizing inventory, improving availability, and implementing process for better planning. So, key responsibilities of this particular role is going to be something around as you can see over here. It will be like creating session level uh, plans and assortment plans based on past performance and growth targets. You will also be, setting the monthly targets, managing the inward capacity allocation, and OTP management. Tracking key performance metrics and reporting also is going to be your, day-to-day work, like weekly performance metrics and reporting monthly and of course annually as well. And also you'll be identifying gaps in product offerings and recommending brand category expansions. You'll be managing pricing strategies, monitoring discounts, and ensuring profitable business decisions. You will also be overseeing merchandise operations, inbound planning, categorizing, and discount monitoring. Also, you will be working with process improvement team, so you should have a problem solving skill approach for this particular role, so that you will be working on improving and enhancing efficiency and all this. So this is all going to be your kind of responsibilities when you join Myntra as associate analyst. So let's break down the qualification for this role. So qualification, as they have mentioned here, so you can see over here, they have mentioned the strong problem-solving skill with the structured thinking approach, and proficiency in SQL, Excel, Python. Python is a must for analytics, of course, so you must know all Python as well. And you must have the ability to work in a fast-paced environment, and take the ownership, drive execution. Also, you will have to collaborate skills. You need collaboration skills to work with the multiple teams because you might have to work with other teams like stakeholders and other teams in the same category, or you may have to work in inter related team as well. And experience, so you should have around 0 to 3 years experience in apparel category planning. And education is BE, BTech, or MBA. So this is all kind of things required to be eligible for this particular role. So if you comes under this category and if you have 1 year plus experience, then you are eligible for this particular role. So application link and all I will be sharing in description. Do check it out and apply as soon as possible. So that's it. They have mentioned the apply link would be given in the description. If you are a data-driven planner and looking for an exciting opportunity in e-commerce fashion and have the relevant skill sets and experience, so should not miss this wonderful opportunity. Don't wait now. Apply now and take your career to the next level. And remember, we post 3 job updates daily: data analytics, AI, and related fields. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an opportunity. So if you have any question related to job application, I'll drop a comment and we would be happy to help. So that's it from my end. See you in the next video. Have a great day.